Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we are making some delicious pancakes with ripe bananas and oats. This is very good for breakfast. You can equally use it for dinner, and if you are watching your weight, this is very good for you. So into my blender I will peel and add the bananas. I have 2 ripe bananas here. Overripe banana is best for this. And then I will add 2 cups of oatmeal, 2 medium-sized eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can also use nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of banana flavor. I'm also adding a handful of peanuts and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add some water. I use here 1.5 cups of water. Blend everything together and then pour out into your bowl. You can also blend the oats separately and mix, or you can use oat flour. Then into the pan, add some oil, about half a teaspoon of vegetable oil or any oil of your choice, or butter, and then scoop in the oats or the mixture. It's not only oats, it's a mixture of banana, oats, and other things. I'll leave the ingredients I use in the description box below. Fry or cook on low heat for about 7 to 8 minutes. And when you see the bubbles up there, you know that it is time to flip over to the other side. Flip over and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes also. And then your pancake is ready. And when it is done, remove from your frying pan and continue to fry the remaining batter in the same way. And here we have our pancakes looking all yummy. You can serve this with more bananas or with some other fruits of your choice. And also you can use honey or maple syrup and serve this over a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, or a cup of hot chocolate. You can also eat it like that and drink water or juice. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please, as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.